Me here do I UTN, me here do I UTN. Can't! Today, I got Ray from Star Wars again, and we're going to do a Loki toy review. Fuck it. Let's get this fucking honey out of here. Bloody oath, let's get this scrag out. This is Ray from Star Wars. And now I've got 3 Rays. This is Ray number 1. And of course this is Ray number 3. Because I've got another Ray. So let's just take the Sheila out. So she tastes better than the other Ray. I'm not going to lie. Let's see what she can do. I'm a walrus. That's a Chewbacca noise right there. So fucking zoom. Hello, I am Ray. No, I am Ray. Well, I am Darth Vader. Die, bitch! Die, you skanky mole! Die, cunt! I am the ruler of the galaxy. Roar! Luke, I am your father. No! You killed my father! Fuck you! Obi-Wan Kenobi is a liar! I am your father! So let's review this toy. She's quite sturdy. I like this one. I fucking really like her grey outfit. It's really cool. She comes with a lightsaber too. The classic Ray's lightsaber. Let's get in there, you fucking dog. Come on, hold it, lassie. Come on, lass. Hold your bloody lightsaber. Come on, lass. Let's get you in. Get in there. You know what happens when you say over your mouth close? Close your mouth right now, everyone go, oh. That's what happens when you... Yep. So I got that. Right. Oh, fuck. I dropped the gun. I found it, boys. Let's go. Cunt. Fuck. Where did the other weapons go? And then she comes with a staff too. A quarter staff. Ray's quarter staff. Yeah, there you go, lass. Oh fuck, you dropped your gun, you mole. Fucking dumb fucking cunt you are. Get in there, lass. So this is Ray. And here's Ray. I like these toys. I'm gonna get some more Star Wars toys, boys. And I'll do some more reviews. There you go. This is a good toy. I do recommend stealing it next time you're at the shopping centre. There you go. Yeah?